Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward topic: how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. Whether you're saving up for something big or just managing your finances, this quick guide will get you transferring in minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone and that you're logged in. It's free and user-friendly, but if you're new, download it from your App Store now. Once you're in, look for your Cash App balance at the bottom of the screen. It's usually displayed prominently. Tap on that balance to get started. Next, you'll see an option that says Cash Out or something similar. Go ahead and select it. This is where the magic happens. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any limits. Cash App typically allows up to $250 per transfer if you're a new user, but that can increase with verification. Speaking of which, if you haven't verified your account yet, you'll need to do that first by linking your debit card or bank account. After entering the amount, choose your bank from the list of linked accounts. If your bank isn't linked, you'll have to add it here. Don't worry, it's a quick process that involves entering your account details securely. Once everything's set, hit the Confirm button. Cash App will process the transfer, and depending on your bank, it could take 1 to 3 business days to show up in your account. Keep an eye out for any fees. Standard transfers are free, but instant ones might cost a small amount. One quick tip: always double-check the amount and details before confirming to avoid any mistakes. And if you run into issues, like a failed transfer, contact Cash App support right away. They're pretty responsive. There you have it. You've just learned how to seamlessly move money from Cash App to your bank. It's that simple and secure. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.